will teach how to make a hole inside a part in Roblox Studio. If this video helps you, consider subscribing. So after opening Roblox Studio, let's say I want to create a hole in this wall right here. It's actually very simple, and I'll show you step by step how to do it. The first thing you need to do is create a new part. This new part will be used to define the shape of the hole. After creating it, use the Move tool to position the part exactly where you want the hole to appear. Then resize the part so it fits perfectly inside the wall, just like I'm doing here. Basically, the new part represents the empty space that will be cut out of the wall. Once the part is positioned exactly where you want it, the next step is turning it into a negative part. To do that, go to the top menu, click on Model, and then click on Negate. You notice the part changes appearance, showing that it's now set as a negative object. After that, select both parts at the same time. You can do this by holding Control and clicking on both the wall and the negative part with your left mouse button. Once both objects are selected, go back to the top menu and click on Union, and just like that, the hole will be successfully created inside the wall. This method is one of the easiest ways to create custom openings and shapes in Roblox Studio, and you can use it for all kinds of builds and map designs. If this video was useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.